Hello everyone, today let's see and try to solve the problem of this monitor, ViewSonic monitor. As you can see, it is not powering on, but the LED is blinking here. See, the LED keeps blinking, it does not switch on. So let's see what's the problem with this. Disconnect it from the AC mains. Let's remove these. Need to remove these two screws here. Okay, back on the side. Now these are the backlight tube connection. These are fluorescent tubes, they are not LED. We need to remove these screws and these two nuts here. These are, for removing this we require a 5 mm box spanner. Now we see all the capacitors have budged, so we need to replace all these capacitors, 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. So we will replace those capacitors now. Just remember, only these two is different. This one is black and bigger one, it comes here. So I need to remove all these capacitors. This one is 2200 microfarad, 10 volts, 1000 microfarad, 25 volts to 1000 microfarad, 16 volts, or even 10 volts is okay. Just a minute. Okay, it's a 10 volts, 1010, and these two are 220 microfarad, 25 volts. So we will replace them now. So let me keep this aside. Take only this power supply. In the primary section capacitors there is no problem, only the secondary. Now I have removed all the capacitors by desoldering. Just remember that if you do not get same value capacitors, you can use a little bit higher voltage and higher value capacitors. Do not use lower value. If the voltage is 10 volts, you can use 16 volts. If it is 6.3 volts, you can use 10 volts because they are in filtering section. If you use higher value, the cost of the capacitor will be a little bit higher than the original value. See that these lines are negative, and for positive terminal the plus mark has been given. So place the capacitors according to the polarity mentioned. Do not place them reverse. If you place them in reverse way, when you switch on the monitor after a few minutes or few seconds, the capacitor will burst. So to avoid bursting of capacitor and smoke, toxic smoke, just see that the capacitors are placed in proper polarity. After soldering the components, the capacitors, just take isopropylene or thinner, paint thinner, and clean the board, all the points where we have soldered. If you have a hot air gun, you can just blow the air after cleaning, or you can allow the PCB to dry. Now after the PCB is dry, take the main unit. Now fix the PCB this way. Should be like this. We will check it first. Now let us switch it on and check. It is still the same. As you can see, the LED blinking here. Still blinking, so it is still the same. Now let's check what's the problem. On the PCB here it is written what voltage should be which place and what point which voltage is there. So let's check this on 2.5, it's control voltage. 5 volts is good. You see the input from the power supply voltage is good, but now let's check with this regulator here. 2.5, actually it should be 5 volts, so let's check with this regulator. Disconnect it. Get the diode showing some resistance. So let's remove this regulator from its place and then check it. If you do not have a hot air gun to remove this regulator, what you can do is you can solder all these legs together, short them, heat them all together along with the ground pin, and you will be able to remove the regulator IC. Let me keep it here and check for the working. It is partially short. Both the sides it's showing low resistance. So let me replace this and check. This is the new regulator. It's an AMS 1117 regulator. Like this. Apply some paste, soldering paste. Now, so before that, let me check for the resistance. Here it is high, that regulator it was low. One side low, one side high. This side also is good. Output and input, it's one side high, one side low. Okay, so let's place it and check. Clean it with isopropylene or PCB cleaning solution. Now let's connect it and check if it's good. Okay, now you can see the light is on, the LED light is on. So let's check how the display as well. It's good. Now the monitor is okay. So we will fix all the screws. Let's disconnect it. Do not turn it off and then disconnect. Disconnect it directly so that the capacitor will discharge. So now take the remaining screws. I fixed all the screws. Need to remove these first. Now connect this. Now the top cover. Two screws here. The stand. So let me check it once again. It's good. So now I have connected the PC. Let's see if the screen is okay. The signal, it will take the signal. Okay, now the PC is on. Okay, it's good. The white shade here it is because of the diffuser sheets in the screen, and customer has not yet given approval for that, replacing that. Okay, now the screen is okay, all colors good. Hope this video is going to be helpful for you in solving power LED blinking problem of your ViewSonic 19-inch monitor. If this video was helpful for you, kindly hit the like icon, share the video and subscribe to our channel if you are not yet subscribed. Thank you for watching everyone. Have a good time.